Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title of this video, I am bringing you my 2021 first video of the year. I asked you guys on Instagram to give me some ideas of some videos I could record for you all this year. Last year I kind of just threw some videos together, and as you guys can tell, they weren't the best, but some of them were good. And so the first video of this year is going to be my tutorial on how I do my mega puff. You guys saw the picture on my Instagram, and this is the picture. Everybody was like, do a tutorial on this puff. I want to see how you did this puff, blah, blah, blah. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my mega puff. I do have some old videos on my channel, which I will link down below, of how I used to do my mega puff. And obviously, as you guys can tell by that picture I just showed you, my technique has changed, my styling tools have changed, and my styling products have changed when doing my mega puff, which is how I got it so big, so defined. So without further ado, I am going to start this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am almost at 4,000 watch hours. Like, y'all are the real MVP. Thank you so much for supporting me and believing in my career as becoming a future YouTuber. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and warn y'all now. I'm working on an old wash and go. So first I'll be using my jumbo pick, and this is a metal pick. I like this better than the actual plastic pick because it gets straight to my roots. And I'm just going to pick my roots for more volume so that I can keep the definition on my ends. Next, I'll be using my spray bottle, and make sure you guys pay attention to this because if you spray too much water, then you're going to drench your hair and it will make your puff smaller rather than bigger. So I only spray enough around my edges and the perimeter of my hair, and then I go in with my Eco Cocktail. This is the Super Fruit Curl Complex, and it's for all hair types, curl and style cream. The reason why I use this is because it's super lightweight and it does not give you that hard cast around your edges. I like my puff to be super fluffy and soft, and with this custard, it's super lightweight and it allows my hair to still feel like it's free, more so than it being held down by a lot of product. Once I've done the perimeter of my hair, I grab some more of the Eco Cocktail, and now I'm going to put some on the ends of my hair just to hold down some of that frizz and kind of get a little bit more definition. I try not to put a lot up there because I don't want my hair wet, but this dries pretty fast, and again, I'm not putting it on every curl. I'm just kind of putting it all over my hair, and I like to really focus on the front part of my hair because that's where my curls are going to be the most defined, and I put the rest of it around my edges again. Now I'm going to go in with my brush, and I'm going to apply some water to my brush just because my hair is still a little dry, although I added the curly cocktail on it. And I'm just going to brush the perimeter of my hair up in the direction that I want my puff to be in. So if you want your puff to be low, then obviously you will focus more on the front. Because I want a high puff, I'm focusing more on the back of my hair, and then I'm going to work my way around to the front of my hair. But try not to brush it too far back in the front because the further you brush back, the smaller your puff will be. So this step is not necessary, however, because I had a middle part with my wash and go, I like to add a little bit more picking to make sure that that part is covered when I do my puff. And then I'm going to go in with my black hair tie. I got these hair ties from Dollar Tree. It came in a pack about 8 for $1, and it's super stretchy. I like them best when they are first out of the pack because it makes your puff a little bit more secure and more defined. As you continue to use them, they obviously do loosen up. But I like to just put it around the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm going to focus more on pushing the back of my hair up before I push the front of that hair tie back. So I'm just going to slide it up the back to as far as it can go without it getting caught and pulling my curls through. And then once I get it to where I like it, I like to kind of use my hands to kind of fluff that puff. So as you guys can see, I have some defined curls, I have some frizzy curls, but it gives it more of a natural look when they are both mixed together. And this is what the back of my hair looks like. And I'm going to give you a close-up look real quick before I go in and slay my edges. So now I have my edge control brush from Kaleidoscope, and I'll be using the Stronghold Edge Control from Over the Top Hair Collection. If you guys like natural edges, you are done with this tutorial. However, I like to slay my edges, and I like to just use the gel to kind of guide whatever baby hairs or edges I want to fall out. I try not to do too much, so I kind of just brush against the edges and see whatever hair comes out. And then I go in with my brush and I actually perfect those edges and kind of give it a swoop look. This is what my edges are looking like, and again, this is totally optional. I just like to do my edges, and I like to sometimes do my sideburns and kind of get a little curl just to match the back of my puff. Again, that part is optional as well. So as you guys just seen, that is how I get my mega puff. Again, I work on old hair, and I have changed my products, I have changed my styling tools, and I have changed the way that I like to prep my hair when doing my mega puff. This is my final results. I just decided to do my edges because there's no mega puff without no beautiful edges. And here is a quick spin around. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to comment down below any other videos you guys would like me to do for 2021, and I will see you guys next Sunday. And then today's shout out goes to Gabby_GabsBuff on Instagram. Thank you for recommending this video. Let me know down below, you guys, any other videos you want to see in order to be shouted out in my next video.